Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to change your privacy settings to join private servers. First, you need to open roblox.com in your browser. After that, you need to click on the settings gear icon at the right side of the page and click on settings. After that, you need to click on privacy and content maturity. After that, go to communication and click on experience chat. Make sure that you have set experience chat and direct chat to everyone. Make sure it's not in no one. After that, go back and click on party. Same goes to here. Make sure that it's not set to no one. Now after that, go back to privacy and content maturity and go to visible and private service. So go to visibility and make sure that you don't have it on no one, and I suggest you set it to friends and people I follow. So after that, go back again and go to private service. Make sure that it is not set to no one and anywhere in friends or everyone, and that's it. That's how you change your privacy setting in Roblox. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, do like and subscribe our channel.